But Danny Healy-Rae can say what he likes down in Kerry, or he can say it there in the house of the Dáil. But I mean, he has to open his eyes. You know, he's in a, you know, he's representing a lot of people, and he does have a national voice now. And we live in an international environment. So I mean, I just think, you know, it's time that we really do work harder to get the message out to all communities that we might be smug here in Ireland. We're not when the floods come, we're not when we look at the erosion, but there's people in other countries that are absolutely threatened by climate change.
I don't know if you've encountered Danny in the canteen at the Oireachtas since last week.
I have.
You have,
yeah.
and did you have a chat with them about it?
I did. No. I just arrived up. I'm commuting by train at the moment, and I just come up from Tramore. The weather was gorgeous, so I actually met him the next morning. But I didn't discuss it specifically with him. I just greeted him as he greeted me, and funnily enough, I'm very Irish. We talked about the weather.